Most people think starting an online business means dealing with complicated coding, expensive software, shipping nightmares if you're like doing eBay, but it doesn't have to be. And today I'm going to break down a few things that you can do to help simplify the process so you can get a little extra income stream up and running this week. Hello, I'm John Barry, and this is Project 60, where we stop playing defense with retirement and start building the future we actually control. So let's get into a few of these steps. First step is just choose one, just one. That's all you need. Just choose one platform. Stick to that platform. Whatever it is, and if it's content creation, which is what we talk about on this channel from time to time, maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's TikTok, maybe it's Facebook, but don't try to master all three. Don't be medium good at a bunch. Try to master one and get really, really good at it. Then you can branch off a little bit, or you can have some of the content repurpose itself on other platforms, and you don't have to do quite all the heavy lifting. Going with choosing one platform with the same step one is choose a software that you like to do your editing. And you can get plenty of free ones. There's a DaVinci Resolve for editing your videos, and then just use your phone, things like that. Make it simple. I'm using Riverside as my main software package because it goes ahead and is recording it, and then when I go to my computer, everything is already there. So I can go ahead and edit seamlessly on the cloud, and then you know it's very simple. Which actually I've already touched on it. The second step: use the tool in your pocket, your phone, and that goes with all these videos right now. That's what I am on. This is just an iPhone. If you have an Android, and even if it's a decade old, it's good enough. The camera is going to be fine for filming. Um, You might get a mic, but not necessary to start. You can get that later, and you can get these inexpensive ones um, just to up the quality of the audio because the audio does matter. But I mean, you don't need any fancy cameras or studio lighting or anything like that, although it does help. Right now, I have no lighting. I'm just outside. Just go outside, do your filming out here, and everything should look decent. If you're inside, open up some curtains, let some that natural sunlight is one of the best ways to make video look good. And we're doing an audio podcast. So I do have, if you are doing that, some kind of a mic is going to be helpful to keep people listening and not bouncing off too much. So that's it. Number one is create one or pick one platform to start, like YouTube. Also, pick a tool out of your pocket like a phone and do it. It doesn't take that much to get started. A microphone is just a little bit of a helpful thing, and YouTube's free. Just download the app and you can go ahead and get started. The third step is really simple. Just start with what you know. If you're going to create content, start with what you already know. Um, are you into fishing? Could you help someone uh, learn how to catch a smallmouth bass, crappie fish? Are you into knitting? Would that be something that you could help others do? Do you have some kind of a background in some sort of a care, maybe house cleaning or organization, whatever it is, content creation, whatever it is, just something figure that out. Think about what it is look around your own house and see what it is you love to do, and go ahead and get started by going ahead and getting those things up. Now, I've talked about many times, and these steps are going to apply no matter what it is you want to do. So if you want to start selling around the house, again, choose one platform. Maybe it's eBay, Maybe it's Amazon, maybe it's Poshmark. Start with one. Don't overcomplicate it. Just choose only one. Start listing your items with number two, the tool in your pocket, a phone. Just go ahead and let that thing do the listings for you. Sure, you might want a clean background, take the photos, get the listings up there. They're now live, available for sale with the same tools that you need to create the content. Isn't that awesome? And if you really want to get going, you can do both of those, but choose one to start for a while and really get that rolling. Again, no fancy cameras, no studio lighting. Take the photo out where you got good light so people can see the item that you're going to be selling. Make sure it's clean, make sure it looks good. And again, start with what you know. Isn't that awesome? These steps work with either one of these methods. Look around your house, start selling something you don't use. Start selling things that you are familiar with, that you see at a garage sale that you say, well, they only want $2 for that. I'm pretty sure it's worth a lot more than that. Start with what you know. And these steps will work for basically either one of these methods when it comes to earning you a few extra dollars. So choose one platform, YouTube or eBay, for example. Choose one tool. Your cell phone is just fine from your pocket. You don't need any fancy lighting or cameras, and start with what you know. Talk about what you know or sell what you know.